Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to leave a group chat on an iPhone. So if you've been stuck in an annoying group chat, don't worry. Now let's get started. Method 1, leave a group chat with only iPhone users. Step 1, open the Messages app on your iPhone. This is where all your conversations are stored, including your group chats. Step 2, tap on the group chat you want to leave. This opens the conversation thread you're part of. Step 3, tap the people's icons at the top of the chat. This lets you view all participants and group details. Step 4, tap Leave this conversation. This button allows you to exit the group entirely. Step 5, tap Leave this conversation again to confirm. Once done, you'll no longer receive messages from that chat. Method 2, group chat with Android users. Step 1, open the Messages app. Step 2, tap on the group chat that includes both Android and iPhone users. Step 3, tap the people at the top to access the group settings. Step 4, tap Delete and block conversation. This option removes the chat and blocks future group messages without blocking individual users. Method 3, if Leave this conversation is grayed out. Step 1, tap Done at the top of the screen to exit the group info page. Step 2, tap the back arrow to return to the main messages list. Step 3, swipe left on the conversation you want to leave. Step 4, tap Hide Alerts or turn off notifications to stop receiving message alerts from that chat. Step 5, if you no longer want the chat in your list, tap Delete to remove it completely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more quick and helpful iPhone tips.